guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a little bit of a Makeup Revolution haul for you. It's a much smaller package than I was expecting, so I'm hoping everything's in here. It seems to be, but basically one of my friends, Michelle, tagged me in a highlighter from Revolution the other day, and it was a skull one, and I was like, oh, I need it. So I went on and this happened, and I think I spent £37. We're just gonna get in because I'm impatient. Right, Revolution always wrap their things so well, which is good because this was thrown over my gate, my 8-foot high gate. The delivery man just was like, yeah, boop, hooked it over. So if anything's broken, we'll be telling the delivery man off. Oh, okay, right, so the first thing I went on initially was because of this highlighter. Look at this, this is so cool. It's just a little skull with a dropper. I think this is £5. What one did I get? Lover's Wrath. And I didn't get it to use really because I don't really use liquid highlighter. I got it because I wanted the bottle, but it's like a sort of like a pink shift highlighter. Really pretty. I knew it was going to be pretty because Revolution highlighters are always pretty. So that is that. I love it. I can just live there. Okay, next up, I just got some liquid latex. This was £2 just because it's nearly Halloween. I need to get on it, so I just got some of that. They have got a collection of more, oh, I'm just popping all the bubble wrap with my elbows. Like Halloween-y kind of themed makeup, and I got a couple of lipsticks. The packaging is just like the most beautiful packaging in the world. Like, it's just like my idea of perfect packaging. So I got a red, which is called Vampire's Thirst. I'll quickly swatch these on my hand for you. There's no way I'm getting this lipstick off. This is Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood. And once this is on, it's on for the day. Should have done this beforehand. Get out. Okay, so this one is Vampire's Thirst. Oh, and there's a skull on the bullet, if you can see that. Yeah, there's like a little skull engraved into the bullet. That's so cool. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, that's a really pretty colour. It's like a matte blood colour. Beautiful. And then the black one is called Captivating Curse. Oh, that one came off easier. Oh. And again, this has got the little skull and crossbones in. Just doesn't want to focus on that. I'll take a picture of it and insert it. So pretty. So it's just a really nice matte black lipstick, because you can't ever have too many matte black lipsticks, in my personal opinion. Next thing I got was, this is a massive bottle. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I did try the concealer, and I just thought I would give this one a go because I feel like I haven't tested out foundation in forever. I got F4, which was for light skin with pink undertones, which is me because I'm pink as balls. Oh, that worked that time. It doesn't normally work. Pink as balls, yeah. So I'm going to give that a try. There will be a video on that. And then these are the things that I'm worried about that are going to be broken. I got the Midas Touch Pressed Glitter Palette, because this was hoofed over the fence. So hopefully this is not broken, or I'm going to be super annoyed. It does not want to come out of its little sleeve. I think this was £9. I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure it was £9. Come on, out you come. Here we go. Please don't be broken. Oh, look. How gorgeous is that? Oh my god, so you've got lavish, magnificent, dripping in gold, luxe, grand, extravagant, fancy, precious and splendid. I need to just touch grand. Oh. I think with some glitter glue, that's going to be crazy. It's not coming off on my hand at all, but like you can see on my finger, that is insane. Yeah, they look amazing, so I'm excited to try those out. Again, there will be a full video on that palette. And then my final item was in the Halloween section again, and it was called Be Very Afraid, and it was another palette. Oh, it's all sealed. I told you they seal everything so well. And this is Obsession by Revolution Beauty. And I just thought it looked like a really nice Halloween palette, but it also just looked like a really overall gorgeous palette. Like this red, just in this colour here, No Sleep and Desecrate spoke to me. Yeah, I think the red is just the same as the other one, but I just thought these look really nice. Oh, that's really pretty. Look, that's a really pretty kind of like nudie mauve. Love it. So yeah, that was my little Revolution haul. Let me know what you want me to test out first. So it'll be any of these three, which you want to test, whatever you want me to test out first, let me know and I will film that. I'm really excited to try the glitters. I'm already planning like a Halloween look of just glitter. It's not very scary, but it's going to be sparkly AF. So yeah, that's happening. If you like these kind of haul videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.